In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken Pro to another wallet. So go ahead to your portfolio at the bottom right and then hit withdraw right here, right? And of course, what you're gonna do, select the Bitcoin and select the network and make sure it matches your wallet network as well, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to Bitcoin and hit add withdrawal address, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and generate an address from your other wallet they want to receive it, or they want to receive, or the one you want to receive Bitcoin from. In my case, let's say I'm using Phantom wallet, right? So I'm gonna hit receive right here, and of course select Bitcoin, right? And then copy the address or take a screenshot for the Bitcoin address and paste it in the Kraken Pro website, right? So go ahead and paste it, hit next, right? And add a unique description to help you find this address, okay? And basically hit done, and you're gonna confirm it via your email. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.